How are you?
Fine. How are you, Shruti?
So,
Hello, ma'am.
today,
Hello,
hi,
ma'am.
Hi, Shruti. I'm good. How are you?
I'm
I'm fine.
good. I'm good, Annie. I'm good, Preeti.
in
Hi.
my voice,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
uh, today I will go down.
How are you, ma'am? You said that your health is not good. How are
Uh,
you now?
how do you know? Preeti, should we told you?
No, ma'am. I think you messaged us in the group.
Oh, by mistake,
Yesterday.
oh, yeah, I was feeling bit low and energy wise.
Okay.
So it happens sometime. Maybe it's a lot of heat is there. Maybe
Okay,
because of
ma'am.
that. Anyhow, we'll go slow. Don't worry, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So have you done any revision of this question paper I have sent you?
Yes, ma'am. At least we've gone through that. The questions you have sent to us. Yeah.
Anything if anyone doesn't know any question, do one thing. Uh, mark it a red. Hello. Is that
Hello.
okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think that is better. So you mark that sentence or the question and read and send me the screenshot of that. So by the
Okay, ma'am.
time meet next time, we'll have certain more discussion, or maybe we can chat in the chat box itself at WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
We missed your short video today.
Sorry?
We missed your short video today. Every day you'll be sending, a few seconds video before the session, right?
Yeah, true. But today, really, I was not feeling,
Yeah,
to
yeah. I
change
could
my
see you from your
clothes.
face itself, ma'am. You're feeling little dull.
So,
Your
that
face is
energy
showing little
level
dull.
was low, but I'll promise to send you tomorrow. Tomorrow when we'll
Yeah,
have the
yeah.
next
No
session.
problem, ma'am. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, and I'll do one thing. I'll post later on. I'll record it and I'll post it later on. Deepika
Okay.
wakes up very late. It is bad habit, Deepika. Go to bed early.
Because you were also awake, no, ma'am. So I was waiting for your more comments to come.
Yesterday I was watching all the videos, whatever I come. So I was seeing a lot of good expressions through screenshots. Yours and Sonia's, I took number of, countdown. 10 times I reversed, 10 times I just wanted to catch up that the specific moment.
Oh my God.
So, but I just wanted
I
to
was just
catch up because
wondering who took so many screenshots.
I loved it. Your all of your gestures was so beautiful, meaningful. So I thought of let me go give some kind of a compliment on that, but that has to be related to the training itself. So Deepika
Posh only.
normally comes more on the cam, so Deepika captured a lot. So I have a very another very good photographs of yours. I'll share on your personal windows. I think
Sure,
I
sure.
think near about 20 or more than 20 moods of yours are there, different moods. One
Oh
I
my
loved it
God.
very much. That
I
was
was
a
I
very
was also feeling very nice that
and he okay, and he was also texting me. Preeti was also. All were. Sonia said that she's not there. I said, just wait. I'll trace you out from the script where you are because I have to see the full video. Then I have to see who are there in which video, at which pose, and which level. But I tried my
right,
best.
right.
So these are the
No, no, but
memories,
that
and
was
without
awesome.
permission, that without your permission, I cannot put into my status also. But I want
No, no, no.
one
It is
that has to
absolutely
come on
good.
status. I saw
Absolutely good because
Shweta's angry mood also. Shweta normally doesn't get anger, but still she was. And your eyes were, really giving that kind of an expression that you are going to eat that respondent, Kacha cha baja, okay. So that was there.
because I'm very camera shy otherwise. So
But I have your
when I
smiling
saw so many of
photographs
my moods
also, a
got
lot of
captured
smiling
in your
photographs.
videos.
So today's session we are
Okay, do share, ma'am.
all are here, like Preet is here, will be obviously Shweta, but
Everybody's here. Ma'am.
so today
I think Divya is not here.
that's what I'm not able to find out one girl. That's what I was just trying to read out the name. Sonia is there. Sonia, come on,
Any
keep your change.
Should is not there. Should be as okay. Yeah, Divya is not here.
Okay. Today we are going to have a certain document list. I'm going to share. You are not able to hear anything, Sonia.
Ma'am, your voice is just not clear.
Now is it okay? Hello. Is it okay? Please use chat box if you can hear me. Annie, you can hear me? No response at all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I could hear you.
Fine. So let me start then. First of all, I want to ask from you, you can unmute yourself. There should be certain rules in office parties, right? You just
Yes, ma'am.
can your chat box with it and come out at least one rule from your side to follow as per POSH or as per the safety norm. What do you think that there should be certain rules to attend office parties? You understood my question, Deepika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Radha, ma'am,
Yeah.
your question is ki if there are office parties in the night, then what should be the rules of those parties, right?
See, I didn't said about day or night. If you are attending any office party, but do you
Okay.
think there should be certain norms to make yourself safe, or to your colleagues, or to yourself, or to maintain some kind of a good ethic? You know, that should.
Make yourself?
I mean that should not occur any incident that you do need to come on the IC committee to lodge a complaint. Yes, dress code. And he said time limitation. Yes. First and foremost, yes, sensible behavior for your alcohol consumption, if it is there. Yes, obviously, dress code is the second one. Shweta, she wrote something, I think, about time limitation. Yes, good. Sonia is not yet able to listen me anything. Sonia.
Now I can listen you, ma'am. Hello. Now I can listen you, ma'am. Can you please repeat the question for myself?
The question is, if you are attending any office party, with or without your colleagues accompanying you, right, or your friends, so what do you follow certain norms or rules which make that you are safe and you don't find any reason to lodge a complaint into the IC committee? Right? That was first was your alcohol. Second is your dress code. Obviously, third is time limitation, party time. Yeah, from Sonia side. Good.
Ma'am, language to be taken care of, the basic etiquettes.
Yes, basic etiquettes also can be considered. Only I have given alcohol consumption. If you are taking alcohol also in any means, right, the quantity should be in limitation. That you have to see, right? Second is not that.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
one more can be that no employee should take the, getting into the party mood, take advantage and start touching the other employee anywhere.
Yeah. So now we'll name it bit different. No flittering with anyone, right?
Oh.
Normally,
Okay.
guys or even girls do flittering. So try to avoid any kind of flittering acting which leads to the sexuality behavior or in a
Yes.
manner, right? That needs to be stopped or that needs to be avoided. That 2 points I kept in the top, right?
Right.
What is your dress up style? Obviously, you have to take care. You are going publicly as well as you are going in official party. That you have to keep it in mind. This is not your family party. You are attending office party, so you do need to take care about your formal event, right? Maybe because of that you have achieved something. That your employer has thrown a party, but it is a formal one. It is not at all informal. And so keep it in mind, right? Obviously, no bullying that comes under. You have to see that no filtering with each other or cracking jokes. Yes, Surbi had a very good point. Color jokes.
Women have to take care that they don't dress up in a way which is exposing and inviting.
The short dresses.
Inviting.
I think everyone understands the way you need to dress up. I mean, once you go for an office party, maybe you are wearing a black dress up to knee level, right? But that has to be in a proper. It should not be off shoulder, very much off shoulder or so, right? Or it should be very deep from front side, right? or some kind of a cuts here and there.
Right. So professional environment and the dress codes, dress ethics is to be followed properly.
Yeah, exactly. The dress code need to be followed properly if it is in the party also, official party also.
Yes, yes. Or professional environment, yes.
Now it comes mainly body language.
Right.
So you need, if you are not drunk also, then too. I mean, if you are not just even in a mood to flatter someone, but still your body language says that you are inviting someone to come.
Right. Right.
You have to watch your body language while hugging or kissing to your colleague. Sometimes we do need, once we meet, we hug, right? Now, obviously, thanks to Corona, it stopped everywhere.
Social distancing everywhere, yes.
Right. But that kind of things, matters a lot. If you hug also, the way you hug, how tight you hug, right? And what kind of way your body signals the other person is feeling from it, right?
Ma'am, of course, at times there are few people when they do not have very good intentions or something, while hugging also they may try to just slip their hand here or there. So, which may make the female colleague quite uncomfortable, very uncomfortable rather.
Very true. And even after
So-
that, you can say, oh, this is really bad.
I'm
I'll
so-
go to IC. Right. That may be
Right.
the thing also. So why
True,
do
true.
kind of a thing? That even you yourself need to watch it.
Right.
Just I thought yesterday night that I should ask this kind of a question when we begin it with the so that you have more fair idea, because parties are mostly very frequent nowadays. So you even at the time of awareness workshop, right? Once you take the awareness workshop, you can discuss with them also. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, again your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Again, my voice is breaking. Okay, let me try. Preeti, or who else is finding problem in my voice? Deepika too?
I mean, breaking again and again, then there is a stretch of which is and
I mean, I'm trying to ask a question.
you connectivity only.
Yeah, maybe.
Deepika, even your voice is cracking.
Yes.
But I'm able to hear you all of you very properly, very clearly.
Even I can hear you, ma'am. Even I can hear you.
Okay. So next question, what we are going to do it today is charge sheet. Now, once you are going to receive a complaint, you are going to receive a charge sheet also along with that, right? So how does charge sheet says that the format has to be? Instead of showing it, we are discussing right now, and by tomorrow late afternoon, I will send you these documents, right? So that you can go through. These are the very simple formats to go, right? That should be in a Word document.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is, how do you say about the caption will be charge sheet form. One thing, right? Name of the employee on your left hand side, then employee PF number. Because you need to give the employee total detail in the charge sheet also. As you communicate other documents also, right? You write certain details. So in charge sheet, you need to give employee name, his or her PF number, communication address, and permanent address. Both.
Ma'am, one question here.
Yeah.
If in certain organization, they do not go for PF deduction, only for the employees who are under the PF limit.
Leave it. No issue
Okay.
at all. I mean, this is not compulsory. This is
Okay.
for our record whether the employee is on payroll or not.
Okay.
Employee is whether the permanent. If it is permanent, then he will be having the PF deduction.
Okay.
Maybe we can note employee ID.
Employee ID, yes. So we'll having the major details, employee name, employee communication and permanent address, employee designation or position and department where he or she is working. This will be the major details on the top of your letterhead where it starts with the communication. Then dear sir or dear ma'am, whosoever is the respondent. Maybe this comment can be lodged by a male candidate also. One second, one second. Yes, please. Yes. Okay. So can I do one request because I'm taking online session on Zoom right now. So can we connect at 8 o'clock, please? If it is feasible or tomorrow, earlier tomorrow morning, as you say. Yeah, sure, I'll wait first. Right, thank you. Sorry, that is again one invitation for as a speaker.
Wow, nice.
Wait, then I'm going to give you these leads now. Now onwards, once you did that, you have
Thank you so
Pleasure
much.
to-
I'm ready,
It would be our pleasure.
right?
Okay.
Good.
Ma'am, could you please just repeat regarding what you were speaking about this letter? Because I think just initial few seconds, I lost the connectivity.
Okay, this is that you need to mention certain details on the chart sheet. As you communicate with other matters, like any communication you do, you write the name of employee details, right, department and all and date, everything. Similarly, on the chart sheet also, after writing the caption, chart sheet form, it may be the printed or it can be on your letterhead also. But normally we prefer it on letterhead because that shows that this is the identification of the company that employee is working with the XYZ company, right? So we prefer it on letterhead of the organization. Top of that, employee name, employee communication address, employee permanent address, employee's position. Position, that means the designation, the present designation employee is working, as well as the department. So these are the few details we mentioned at the top of the once we start with the chart sheet, right? Then dear so and so, obviously we are just putting the chart sheet, right? We are not saying that he or she is victim. So we address him or her properly, dear Mr. So and so, right? Reference or the subject is chart sheet, right?
That's it, ma'am. This is the only subject written.
Yeah, simply chart sheet against this conduct is up to you. I mean, you can form a simple sentence. If there is more than 2 or 3 charges, right, then you cannot mention all the things in the one subject, right? Simply
Right.
simple chart sheet against you or simple chart sheet. Reference is more than enough chart sheet, right?
Okay.
We hereby advise you, not request you now, because IC members are not requesting, right? They are advising to the person who is going to be the respondent, right? We advise you to that you have the following allegation. Now sequence 1, 2, 3, right? Now we are telling that we advise you that we find allegation against you, right? Then sequence 1, 2, 3, whatever the charge is, right? All. It is alleged that all about you, right? That at so and so timing, 10 a.m., 10 p.m., whatever it is, right on date so and so, in the organization premises, right? You did the following. It totally depends upon the case. Say about once I say that you grab that lady, that happened, that case study we discussed, that supervisor or a boss has grabbed the secretary from behind, right? If we have to make the same charge, how will, yeah, Preeti?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, it is alleged that the following allegation or the allegations has find or made against you, right? Number one, you grab the lady, whatever it is, hugged or whatever the language the complainant had told you. Here you have to write with the specific words she mentioned, right? You have to be very careful in mentioning those words. But you are not going to change the allegation. Allegation is just simply the grabbing from behind or a physically nearness or physically trying to physically intimacy, right? These kind of words you have to use by reflecting the complaint. So that will be in the organization premises at this time, at this place, in the conference hall at 2:30 p.m. Is that clear?
Ma'am, can I ask something, please?
Yeah, please, Deepika.
Okay, so ma'am, I'm slightly confused. When you say that in charge sheet, we are alleging the respondent in this manner, we are writing all this. So has the IC committee already interviewed the respondent?
No, not at all.
No. So now this charge sheet is the first communication that will be sent to the respondent telling him that this is what has been complained against you by the aggrieved person. And in the charge sheet, they will be mentioning that you are required to come and meet the IC committee members
Exactly.
on so and so day and date. Right, no?
Coming. I mean, just we are writing first the allegation.
No, I was just clearing in my mind because I thought.
If you remember at the very first, filing the complaint, I said you that once you receive an inquiry, you communicate the agreed woman, right? If she wants that she needs to go to a written inquiry against the respondent, right? Or even if she wants to go for a informal also, you need to write down the statement. That is very much clear. Whether she wants to go informal or formal, it is your duty as an IC member. You are going to write whatever she is telling you. Right?
Very true.
So, on the basis of the complaints, she mentioned that how, when, where, and what she felt. Her allegation is that the boss hugged her from behind or grabbed her from behind. Maybe she is not saying the hug. She will say that grab.
Right.
She's
grabbed, yes.
Right. My boss has grabbed me from behind without my permission or without my knowing,
my consent.
Right. Then you as a IC member writing a charge sheet, first charge against you is grabbing the so and so person. Then comes the place. In the organization premises conference room. Then comes the timing. Because everything you need to give with the proof, with the evidence, whatever the complainant has told you right now.
So this charge sheet is as per the complaint lodged by the
Yes.
aggrieved person.
Exactly.
Nothing has been proved as yet, right?
Not yet. That's what I said, dear so and so. We are not even saying Mr.
Yes.
So and so. We're not addressing because the charge sheet is not yet approved. If it is
Right.
proved, then we would have said, okay, you will be punished. Then we'll say not dear. We'll say Mr.
Mr.
Only
Right,
Mr.
right. Yes, yes. The address changes. Yes, yes. Very true.
Change. Here in charge sheet, I'm telling you to write down the dear Mr. So and so. But I excited, whatever. Right? Then you are telling him that this is the allegation against you. Right? Then the specific words for the allegation which the complainant had told you. Right? Then you have to mention where and at what time. So you remember the sequence of investigation questions.
Yes, 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 yes.
Sequence you have to follow it,
True.
right?
So in the charge sheet, we are following the same sequence.
Same sequence, right? You have to mention, because if I know that I have grabbed, but I may have grabbed her many times, many places.
Right.
So I don't know where I have fallen.
For which one she has lodged the complaint.
That you need to very much clarity in your charge sheet. So you have to mention
Very true. Thanks.
the date, time, as well as the place of the
Place. Yes, yes.
complaint. Right? Then you
Thank
are required now. You are not requesting. You are telling the respondent. You
Respondent.
are required to present in the meeting, right, in front of IC committee. Here again, the date, time, and place where you are going to conduct it.
Will be specified.
Again,
So, ma'am, is the employer also present in that meeting, or is it only the IC committee members?
no, only IC committee members. If sometimes it happens, you know, there are a lot of practices in the industries, in the bigger industries. Sometimes you feel that you are not satisfied, the respondent is not satisfied about the and ask for the re-inquiry, right?
Re-inquiry.
Right. Then he has one more provision here. He can say that he needs the committee members to be changed. Then
Oh,
inquiry
really?
officer can be changed or reappointed by some other place or from outside.
Only for this case, ma'am, or
Not
in
depends
general?
on the case. I mean, it's not for the small cases we do change on the committee members or inquiry members, because at the time, if he says he's not happy or satisfied with the recommendation or the inquiry, the report, whatever it has come, so he wants to reopen the case again, or he wants to re-inquiry. Actually, the re-inquiry the process once again. But he's keeping one more condition with that. He wants the inquiry member needs to be changed. Suppose
You had also,
because suppose
ma'am,
there is a case of a rape, repeatedly rape from 1 year, right? It is a very, very severe case, right? At that time, employer can take this decision that inquiry committee officer will hire one more inquiry officer from outside,
outside, external.
right? Because he doesn't know the complainant, he doesn't know, or she doesn't know the respondent, right? So
Oh, okay.
then at least the respondent will say, now he's comfortable, he trusts that whatever the decision will be now bound to me, because the inquiry officer is coming from the outside, and
From outside.
yeah, he or she doesn't know about the people over there. So that chance
But ma'am,
is only at the time of severity, very severity of the case. not for all cases. That's all.
Right.
That's totally totally depends upon
Depending
employer.
on the case.
Management and the case. If management say yes, I'll give you that permission, he do request to the inquiry members, IC members, and to get arranged the inquiry officer from outside.
Ma'am, one thing, because
You once
IC
said that
committee
cases
already
cannot be reopened.
Shweta, one by one, please. Yeah, Deepika.
Ma'am, sorry, I'm so sorry.
Please, sorry.
Actually, because IC committee already has one external member, number one.
Yeah.
Number two, in the last class, we were told that if the respondent or even the aggrieved person is not satisfied with the recommendation made by the IC committee, then they can also move to the court.
Yeah.
So that is also like, leaving that part aside, they request for the change in the IC committee members?
Yes, that's what, if I tell you at the time, you may not understand. Sometimes I do need to go stepwise, slowly. First, you
Step by.
understand the very basic first thing, right?
True.
Because this case, this thing not happens very frequently to change the inquiry member. In a very rare cases and the very severe cases.
Severe cases, it happens.
Right? Yeah, Shweta, you have question?
Yeah, I wanted to know that you once said that the cases cannot be reopened.
No, I said it cannot be reopened only when these are the very basic ones. And I had given one more point also. Within the 90 days of the recommendation, you can request for the reopening of the case.
Reopening, yes.
Okay.
Right? The basic, otherwise, you know what will happen if you tell the every respondent that you can reopen the case, then your work will be burdened.
Yes, every respondent would want to just let the inquiry be on.
Reasons also. So we don't want that. Only to the severity of the person's crime or the case, we tell them, or even we guide them, right? Even that respondent take the legal advice from outside. He may be talking to so many people about this case, right? But only thing is that he cannot hire the legal person and bring him or her, a legal advisor, into the inquiry committee, process.
And in the cases like where rape, such kind of incident happened, so such cases are solved at the IC level only. I think most of the cases must be obviously taken forward to the court, and
See, if the
higher ups will be involved.
Right?
Even then, the respondent will say that I want a different person.
Fine.
Or the like.
Two reasons, Shweta. One thing is that if the evidence are too strong,
You're unable to hear you, ma'am.
right? There is no need of going to the court.
Voice cracking, ma'am.
Because court will, once you log in again into the court case, right? You